On a clear, crisp morning in New York City, the air held an unusual tension. The towering silhouettes of the Twin Towers stood as symbols of resilience and progress. Little did the city's inhabitants know, their world was about to change forever. As the sun struggled to pierce the darkness of the early morning, people streamed into the World Trade Center, their lives intertwining with the rhythm of the city. On the other side of the country, in the heart of Washington, D.C., political figures prepared for a day of work in the Capitol. But as the clock struck 8:46 a.m., the calm was shattered. American Airlines Flight 11, hijacked by terrorists, plowed into the North Tower, the impact sending a shockwave through the city. The World Trade Center, once a symbol of strength, was now a battlefield. In the ensuing chaos, people were left to grapple with the unimaginable. Smoke billowed through the streets of Lower Manhattan, the air thick with fear and uncertainty. As the seconds ticked by, the world watched in horror as another plane, United Airlines Flight 175, followed the same deadly path into the South Tower. In Washington, D.C., the Pentagon was hit at 9:37 a.m., another testament to the unfathomable cruelty of the attack. The nation was under attack, and the world would never be the same. The emergency services worked tirelessly, their heroism etched into the annals of history. Firefighters, police officers, and ordinary citizens risked their lives to save others, their acts of bravery a beacon of hope in the face of darkness. In the wake of the attacks, grief and sorrow spread across the nation. The loss was immeasurable, the pain palpable. But in the face of tragedy, the spirit of unity was unbroken. America, and the world, vowed to never forget the sacrifices made on that fateful day. In the days, weeks, and months that followed, the world came together to support the United States. The attacks of September 11, 2001, would leave an indelible mark on history, a stark reminder of the importance of peace, unity, and resilience in the face of adversity. The Twin Towers, once the tallest structures in the city, were reduced to rubble. But their memory lives on, stronger than ever. They stand as a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, a symbol of hope in the darkest of times. For on that fateful day, the world bore witness to the strength of the human spirit, and the unbreakable bond that connects us all.